Welcome to Automation Master Hub. Hello, professionals. My name is Emmanuel Dasari, having 20 years of experience. Expertise in automating repetitive tasks by using various tools such as Power Apps, Power Automate, Excel, Excel VBA, Power BI, SQL, SharePoint, Office Script, Google Script, and more. In my experience, I've trained many professionals as well as conducted corporate training and accomplished projects, more than 50 corporates. With my experience, I'm conducting a power-packed workshop on this weekend, that is 7th December 2025, from morning 9 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. at 3rd floor above Karachi Bakery beside Raidurg metro station, Hyderabad. You can also join online. By attending this workshop, you will get a practical experience by doing employee onboarding application with mail triggers, approval system by using Power Apps and Power Automate. We'll be creating an automated flow by using Power Automate to capture the orders data from the mail to the Excel as well as SharePoint list. We'll also create an automated flow by using Power Automate to send a recurrence mail by getting the data from Excel as well as the SharePoint. In this workshop, you will also understand the usage and functionality of Excel, Excel VBA, Power BI, SQL, Power Apps, Office Script, Google Script, and more. After completing of this workshop, as a process of continuous learning, you will be getting an access to Automation Masters batch for 6 months, which includes 4 days case study based live sessions, daily 5 multiple choice questions assessment, weekly task, support by expert team on discussed topic. For more details and to register, please contact on 9885901144. Thank you.